I just picked up the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and it's incredible except for one thing. And I cannot for the life of me figure out how DJI managed to mess up one crucial feature on the DJI Mic 2. We'll talk about that straight ahead. Hi friends, Bill here. Welcome inside Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. Today we've got a bit of a review, a bit of a tech tip, and a bit of a rant because I do not understand something that DJI has done. It makes absolutely no sense. It doesn't gain them anything. We'll talk about that in a moment, but first let me start with a positive. I just got the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo. It's got everything in it. It's fantastic. This device is remarkable. Part of that Creator Combo comes with the DJI Mic 2. Up until this point, I have almost exclusively been using the DJI Mic, the original version. I love it. I use it everywhere I go, but I'm not one of those creators that clips it onto my clothing. I cannot stand that look. I think it's extremely amateurish, especially when you put the dead mouse windscreen on there. It just looks terrible. And so I picked up some really good lavalier mics because the lavalier mics plug into the DJI Mic. You can see that as the case because as I talk, as you look over here at the receiver for the DJI original mic, you can see the green line moving, right? I also, in this video, I'm wearing one of those mics and I'm recording directly into the mic that came with the DJI Pocket 2 combo. Same mic, works with this one. So two DJI products using the same mic. It works with both of them. Now we know that the DJI Mic 2 works perfectly well because you can see on the top of the screen a green meter indicating that you're getting good audio. That's to be understood. But check this out. We pull the microphone out of the original DJI mic. I put it into here. No more audio, no more green bar moving. For some reason that I will never understand, DJI decided, you know, we're coming out with these nice new mics. Why don't we make them incompatible with the exact same lavaliers that worked with all of our other mics? So these are TRRS, tip, ring, sleeve, right? This has the three sections to it. I don't know how technical you want to get, but that's what it is. TRRS, tip, ring, sleeve. It works perfectly well with the original DJI mic. Let's do that again. We'll show you this. As I talk into this mic, you can see the green meter moving on the receiver. I bring the same thing over here to the DJI Mic 2. And I don't know how well you can see the green readout on the top of the monitor, but there is no readout taking place. It's absolutely stunning. It's completely perplexing. It makes absolutely no sense because now I have to go and buy another adapter that takes me from a TRRS to a TRS microphone. DJI doesn't sell those adapters. They do have their own microphone. By the way, it's not even close to as good as this Rode mic. So I would love somebody to help me find the answer to why on earth DJI, with this fantastic Pocket 3, would make such a bizarre decision as to not allow the same compatibility among microphones that we've had in prior DJI products. I simply don't get it. Would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Would love to read your comments about all of this and how you handle it. And again, if you are one who loves to clip the mic onto your apparel, this mic sounds just fine. It sounds great. It's got lots of features built into it. This isn't really a review of the mic. It's a critique of the lavalier mic input and how bizarre a decision DJI made. Love to have you subscribe to us here. Thanks for joining us this time on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips.